I asked.
We're in New Jersey. That's New York. It's raining. I haven't seen it rain like this in so long.
New York.
Got a La Colombe iced mocha latte with oat milk. Hey, babe, try it. This is the restaurant I wanted to eat at, but I'm so freaking full. I can't eat here, but you guys look, it's so cute. All these flowers.
It's like a fancy Starbucks.
Chelsea Market is our next destination. We're inside the Chelsea Market, but I'm sitting on this big stone bench because I'm so tired. We were walking a lot, so I'm just gonna take a quick break. This place is so massive, I have no idea where we're going. There's a bunch of places to eat, however, I am not hungry whatsoever. I think I need a bigger stomach to be a New Yorker, man. So pretty though. The clouds are heavy, it's gonna rain soon. Wait, I feel like this deal is so worth it. Not sure though, what do you guys think?
It's coming. Look at the pigeons.
Pigeons. Guys, I'm literally walking in 2-inch platforms and my freaking feet hurt. I feel touristy. So cute. Literally like fairyland. So cute. A lot of people, guys. A lot of people. This is the omakase we're eating for dinner, and this is the outdoor dining experience, and then we're just waiting to be seated inside. That omakase. Everything.
We did this.
The omakase was so freaking good. It was $95, and you guys saw everything that I got. I say it's worth. What do you say? What do you say? Do you say it was worth it? He said it was good. He's a little camera shy, but I say it's definitely worth. The food was so good. Literally everything like melted in your mouth. I did not have to chew. Did I chew? No, I didn't. It just went down. We literally just walked through this terrible rain and it's thundering and my shoes are all wet and the dress is all wet. Oh my goodness. Look at the rain. Oh my god.
Should I go this way?
Oh my god. Okay, so we just drove and picked up some chicken for a late night snack. I want to open this because this is the reason why I chose. Oh my god, look at that mac and cheese. Holy. We got chicken tenders and these are fried Oreos. Okay. Good morning. It is day 3 in Jersey. And it was supposed to, like, it was forecasted to rain a bunch today, so I'm gonna close this window. It was forecasted to rain a bunch, so we didn't go to New York today. But it's not like actually raining that much. It's kind of like gloomy though. But yeah, hi guys. I haven't like sat down and like talked to y'all yet, but I'm in the car. Justin's right here. I look a little rough because I didn't do anything. I just woke up and I didn't know I was gonna go out and about, but I'm wearing like my Almighty tank and some overalls. We went to a mall, but it's kind of like an Oni designer mall, so like not my jam. So we're going to a different mall and just like exploring. We're going to Brooklyn tomorrow, and like, oh, tomorrow's July 4th, so that'll be fun. Also, my voice is like lower. I kind of like lost my voice at the beginning of this trip, so once I got here, so my voice is a little husky, but I like low-key love my voice like this. I don't know, it's just like a little sexy, you know? I just like my voice when it's like lower, so I'm kind of enjoying it while it's this way. And look, I bought this ring, this red ring, and I also bought this pink ring yesterday in the city. Also, it looks like I haven't been eating, or like we haven't been eating much because I haven't shown that much like food footage, but it's because I'm staying with my grandma, and because I'm from Jersey, yeah, and she is forcing me to eat so much food. And Justin, she's forcing us to eat so much Korean food, and yeah, it tastes bomb, like it's so good. However, like I don't eat that much rice really, like ever, and she just like gives me like so much food, and then that makes us so full, so we didn't eat like too much. But hopefully I'll show you guys more things to eat later. Okay? Bye guys. Money, say hi. Hi, Heba. 이렇게. 할머니, say hi. Came to a Korean restaurant for dinner with my grannies and got marinated crab. It looks so good. I usually only eat it in Korea, but it looks pretty bomb.
이렇게는 짭짤한 게 좋지. 늙어서 아주.
We also got a jukumi and pork stir fry, which I got a version of it in Korea if you guys watch my Korea vlogs, but yeah, look, I'm gonna eat this right now. Yay. Harabuji, say hi. He often ignores me, but I'm sure he's saying hi in his head. Okay.